Okay, so the workout today is core blast. We will be doing 3 types of movement. The first is your standing core exercises, then is your sitting, and then is your lying down. So we have different variations in 3 parts. So in the first part of standing exercises, we pick up one movement, we do 3 sets, second movement 3 sets, and so on. Alright, let's look at the movement. The first is your high knee tucks and see how are we going to do it. So in the first set, keep your hands up like this. Engage your core, chest out, back straight. Now lift your knee high one by one, keeping your body as stable as possible. One thing to notice here is when you raise your knee, it should not turn like this, it should not turn like this. It should be lifted up straight. And when you're lifting it up as high, make sure you don't do this. Don't bend your back. Keep your back straight, stable, and lift your knee as high. Alright, let's do that for 30 seconds. Let's get ready.
Can we use the towel for
You want
the
to
hand?
use
A towel for
No,
this.
not a towel. We will be using dumbbell in the subsequent sets. Okay. Right now it is without dumbbells. Get ready and start. Raise up your hands, knee as high as possible. Try to keep your elbows straight, everyone. Soft and straight. So don't lock your elbows. So your elbows should be like this. They should not be bent. They are as close to your ears as possible. Yes, 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Relax, walk around. Now, in the second set, you will be holding one single dumbbell. And how? Watch it. So, here is your dumbbell. Alright. You place it right above like this. And the movement remains the same. Try to keep your body as stable as possible. When you're lifting your leg, make sure you don't go topple like this. You need to stabilize your spine as much as possible. Engage your core. Alright, let's do that. One single dumbbell. Hold one single dumbbell. Yes. Let's get ready. Okay, at the count of 3, 2, 1, start. Lift your dumbbell up and raise your leg as high as possible. Make sure your leg is lifted straight. It doesn't turn. Yes, good. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Now, let's look at the next set. In the next set, you are going to hold 2 dumbbells together. And how? So, raise your dumbbells up like this. Either you can keep it like this or like this. So, just let me show it to you a closer view. So, either you can keep it like this or like this. Alright, stabilize your spine. Don't lock your elbows. You need to keep your elbows soft. Don't bend your elbows. Elbows soft. Alright, and from here, you go raising your knee as high as possible. Stabilize your core. Don't let your body waver too much. Alright, yes, let's get ready. Take your positions. If you don't have dumbbells, you can use bottles or any object in your room. It is just that we are challenging the core to balance a heavier thing on top. Okay, at the count of 3, 2, 1, start. Yes, raise your knee as high, stabilize your core as much as possible. Good. Carry on, carry on. Ten more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay, walk around. Let's look at the next movement. Alright, the next movement is your side crunches to squat. So let's watch it. How are we going to do it? Okay, now here you are going to be in the squat, slightly wider squat stance. So this is your, these are your leg stance. And from here you bend down in a squat. You are here. Try to keep your back as straight as possible and bend down in a crunch, side to side. Pause, come back up. Now if you feel your back is getting too low, what you do is slightly up your squat. Your back should be straight, stomach engaged, core muscles engaged, and from here you twist side to side, pausing every time. Either what you can do is slightly widen your legs, go down as deep, keep your back straight and go side to side. If that is not possible, slightly raise up. Okay, let's do that for 30 seconds. Make sure you crunch. You need to feel a side crunch and a side stretch. Okay, at the count of 3, 2, 1, start. Yes, Bharat, we are doing squat to side crunches. So it goes like this. You have a wider squat, you bend down, keep your back straight and start crunching side to side. Yes. Good. 10 more seconds. Good, Deepa, good. Relax. Okay, walk around everyone.
Mehak,
Hmm.
there is a confusion. Means we have to sit like a squats or we have to sit like a deadlift,
It's like a squat.
like a squat.
Like